In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Align command in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. The Align command is a quick way to move and rotate objects so they line up precisely with other elements in your drawing. It's especially handy when you need to match corners, centers, or construction geometry without manually calculating angles or distances. I'll walk you through the exact sequence to make it fast and reliable. Begin by starting the command. Type AL and press Enter, or locate the Align tool in the Modify panel on the ribbon. Either method launches the Align process, so use whatever feels fastest in your workflow. Next, select the object or objects you want to align. Click each object to include it in the selection, then press Enter to confirm. Make sure you've selected the correct geometry, because the points you pick next will determine how that selection moves and rotates. Now define the first source point by clicking a point on the object you want to move. Choose a clear, stable reference like an endpoint, midpoint, center, or a precise vertex. Using object snaps is a good practice here, so turn on endpoint, midpoint, or intersection snaps if you need more accuracy. After picking the source point, define the first destination point by clicking where that source point should go in the drawing. This tells AutoCAD the exact location the first reference point should occupy after the move. Zoom in if necessary to ensure precision, and use snaps or temporary tracking to align with existing geometry. Then define the second source point by clicking another distinct point on the same object. This second point is important because it provides the orientation reference. Choose a point that is not collinear with the first source point so the command can determine rotation. If both points lie on the same line, rotation won't be defined correctly. Finally, define the second destination point by clicking where this second source point should be positioned. By supplying both source and destination pairs, AutoCAD calculates the required rotation and translation so the object matches the target locations. This combination of move and rotate is what makes Align faster than separate move and rotate commands. A quick tip: plan your reference points beforehand, use object snaps for accuracy, and pick points that create a stable reference frame. That's all there is to it for using the Align command to move and rotate objects precisely in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and again, if you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.